Do you want to make $100,000 in 2024 without working a second job? Imagine watching your money grow while you sleep. In this video, I'll show you 7 proven ways to achieve financial freedom through smart investing. Stay until the end to learn a bonus strategy that top investors use but never talk about. First up, let's talk about the magic of compound interest. Think of it as earning interest on your interest. If you invest $500 monthly in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 10%, you could have over $100,000 in just 8 years. The key is to start now and stay consistent. Step 3. Real estate is another fantastic way to grow your wealth. Don't have hundreds of thousands to buy property? No problem. Platforms like Fundrise or REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts, allow you to invest in real estate with as little as $10. Plus, the rental income can be your ticket to $100,000 faster than you think. Step 4. For those who prefer a safer route, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, offer stable returns. They might not make you rich overnight, but they're perfect for parking your emergency fund while earning more than a traditional bank account. Step 5. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, cryptocurrency. While crypto is volatile, investing in established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum or staking can yield massive returns. Just remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. Step 6. Combine investing with a side hustle. Think of dropshipping, selling digital products, or freelancing. Profits from these can be funneled directly into your investment portfolio, speeding up your journey to 6 figures. Step 7. Finally, we have ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are like a basket of stocks that diversify your investments automatically. ETFs like Vanguard's VTI or ARK invests ARKK can give you exposure to high-growth sectors with minimal effort. Here's the bonus tip. Millionaires always reinvest their profits. Instead of cashing out your gains, reinvest them into the market. This accelerates your portfolio growth exponentially and ensures you hit your $100,000 goal faster. Now that you know how to make $100,000 in 2024, it's time to take action. Start with just one of these strategies today. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to grow their wealth. Remember, your future self will thank you.